What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we have just like a nice chill self-care Saturday. I've been on the go nonstop for pretty much all of January, whether it was work, having people in town, this, that, and the other, and I've been feeling absolutely drained. I kind of touched on it in the last video, so today we're just kicking back. We finally have nothing major going on, doing things that I need to get done, taking care of ourselves. I just got a fresh lineup cleanup of the beard from Rocio at ACM Barber, best barber in Tampa, period. Make sure you go check him out. Say what up, tell him I sent you. But yeah, we're now at the vitamin shop and we are gonna get some additional essentials to make us just healthy humans. So I'll be right back. We got the goods in stock. We snagged a prime. We're gonna try this flavor for the first time, the essential ghost. But the main thing I wanted, I'm gonna try to get on my greens grind. So we're trying this out. Max Tuning always says it's muy delicioso. So we're gonna give that a try for later in the day, health and stuff, you know. But yeah, that was the vitamin shop haul. We have successfully made it to the gym now. We're about to hit back and shoulders. I'm not gonna be filming, again, just trying to keep it stress-free, and it's always a little stressful to think about what angle am I gonna record, what set am I gonna record, and all the different things. So we're leaving you guys here, I'm sorry, but we're gonna check in. Back and shoulders is done. It was a fantastic workout, to be honest. Got in there for 2 hours, just didn't think about a lot of stuff, and just had a good time. We got a meal in the car, because, you know, we're thinking ahead, we're being prepared, not messing up the diet, because we're trying to get shredded. Natty King, true rise of the Natty King, right here. Anyways, gym's done. I do need to go get a new backpack for work. Like, the bag I've been using is fine, but it's better as a travel bag. There's like no organization in the actual thing, and it drives my mind crazy. So we're gonna go to Target, ooh la la, which is also a very dangerous place for me, and get a brand new backpack. Let's do it. Let's do it. I was not planning on, sir, I'm recording, sir. Well, anyways, I was not planning on bringing the camera into Target, but this is a 2-story Target. Never seen this. This is crazy. Multiple levels. Not a bad view either. Can't lie. This is a very chaotic Target, and I'm pretty sure it's only one level, and I'm lost. So, yo, in classic me fashion, I found something that I kinda need, but don't need, and I'm buying it. Oh well. All right, they have no backpacks. Why be a super Target and not have backpacks? I'm triggered. Disappointing haul. Didn't get the backpack. Did buy the foam roller. I actually copped the water too. Hydration's important, especially post-workout. Anyways, something just came up. We're gonna be going to shoot some guns with our boy Connor. So it'll be a great time. I'll get the backpack tomorrow, some other things tomorrow. We're just vibing. It's a good breezy day. Yo, back in the flesh.
Yeah, you wanna shoot?
Hey,
we're shooting.
Where we at? Tell them where we're at.
Reload, Tarpon Safety Harbor. You know where to find us.
Oh, there we go. We're gonna shoot some bang bang.
What?
I'll switch to the iPhone because I don't want to bring this inside. All right, big gulps, huh? Yeah. We got him good. He's done for.
Look at you, you killer.
Dude, we got him good. He's done good dead.
Yeah, he's definitely dead, that's for sure. I felt a little jumpy.
Stress doesn't even faze him. 4 out of 5. This guy's done for. Good morning, guys. Next day vibe. We just finished up at church. Really awesome message by Pastor Aaron Berg about the word, talking about loneliness. So good. So needed. I needed that real bad. So God is good like that. But church is done. Now we got to get our refreshments, aka coffee, aka Dunkin', and then we got to hit Walmart. I saw a really nice Walmart, which is like something you don't really hear, but like I did, and so we're gonna check it out, and I just hope it is. So okay, see you there, guys. We had to go to a different Target, but we have finally found a backpack. Nice little JanSport, nothing crazy, super humble. You know, that's what we do to get the job done. Like, I didn't realize how expensive backpacks were, so I had to get like the most functionality out of it, like the most pocket for the cheapest price, which is what we did. Huge dubs. I'm hungry. Let's get home. I need some food. We have safely arrived back home. I also copped some sandals because we need them for the beach, and some joggers because it has been getting actually very chilly down here, especially at night. But that's gonna be it for this video. Just kind of taking you guys through the process that I went through for decompressing, you know, getting some alone time, kind of resetting. I was on the go pretty much all of January, and like I took a step back, and that's when I realized, man, I did a lot with little breaks. So I needed to get some alone time, needed to do some things for me, reset mentally. I feel so recharged between yesterday hanging out with Connor, just doing things that I wanted to get done, going to church today, just all the different things. And I'm feeling so much better, so much more clear mentally, and I'm excited to just take it forward into the rest of this year, because 2023, I'm just looking to improve in every aspect of my life, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, like all the different things. So this was a great day. Great weekend, and I'm really excited for it. I do have a ton of back-end stuff to do. Got a nice little list here. So that's not very exciting, and I'm gonna just end this video right here, like I said. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications, send the video to a friend, because we have new vlogs Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and we have the podcast on Monday. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.